So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop your Wi-Fi to automatically connect to any particular Wi-Fi network. Now, in order to do it, let me just quickly open my settings and go to the Wi-Fi settings. Let me just quickly turn it on and find all the Wi-Fi that are available to join. Once my phone will able to find the Wi-Fi, for example, if I just simply hit edit and click on this option, just simply click on this option of edit on the top right corner. Once you click over there, here you're gonna find all the list that your smartphone is connected to it. For example, if I don't want this particular first network to connect automatically, I just simply click on this eye icon and simply turn this auto join off. And once you do that, now your Wi-Fi will not automatically join to this particular network. You can do it with multiple network that you want. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.